So if this question on balancing equation is going to take a lot of time, then you can approach it this way, which is the algebraic method. That's what we're going to do. So this is copper reacting with conc HNO3, and then you're giving or you're getting the copper nitrate and NO2 and H2O. You see the difference between this using conc HNO3 and when you're using dilute HNO3 is that you expect concentrated HNO3 to be like more powerful than the dilute HNO3. So the concentrated one is what is going to give you the NO2, which is nitrogen peroxide, but the dilute one will just give you NO at this point, okay? And then this will also be produced, and of course, water would still be produced. That's the difference between reacting copper with dilute HNO3 and concentrated nitric acid, okay? NO, that's just the difference. NO and NO2. All right, so let's balance this stuff up. So we're going to do the algebraic method as I said, and let's carry on. I'm going to call this A, B, C, D, and E. So real quick, I'll compare copper. Comparing copper, I have A equals C. Compare hydrogen, I would have B equals 2E. Comparing the next one, nitrogen, I would have B equals 2C and then plus D. Comparing the next one, oxygen, I would have 3B would equal 3 times 2 is 6. So that's 6C. What else do I have? I have 2D. Okay. And I also have E. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so let A be equal to 1 so that I can say that C should be 1. Okay, I've gotten that. Then using this right here, if I say B is equal to C is already 1 now, so I can say B is equal to 2 plus D, and B is 2E, right? Okay, let me try to use this over here, simplifying that. So I have 3B plus 6C, which is 6 times 1, plus 2D plus E. Let me move myself to this place. All right, so 3B and B is 2 plus D, right? So I'll just make that 2 plus D plus 6 plus 2D plus E. So this becomes 6 plus 3D. Basically, anyhow you want to solve this thing, just solve it. You know, it's just maths, right? This is 5D. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus E. So that's just simplifying that. Oh, what did I just do now? This is an equal to sign here. So this should be equal to sign at this point. Equals. Yeah, so I should have equals here. Let me just take off this last part. All right, so everything is looking good. 6 plus 3D equals 6 plus 2D plus E. And then I can say that the 6 can take away 6 is like subtracting 6 from both sides. Then I'll bring my 3D to the other side so that I'll bring the 2D to the other side. So I have this, and that means that D equals E. Interesting. So B is equal to 2 plus D, and D is equal to E. But B is equal to 2E, so I can say that 2E is equal to 2 plus D, which is actually E. So with this, once again, you can always just solve this anyhow you want to solve it, but just get your answer. So 2E minus E gives you E equals 2, and that means that because of this, we can say D is equal to 2 as well. What else? B is equal to 2 plus D, so B is equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So I've gotten A, I've gotten B, I've gotten C, I've gotten D, I've gotten E. Then we plug them in there. So you see, just go through this stress once and get your answer. So A is 1, B is 4, C is, what's C? 1, D is 2, and finally E is 2. Okay, so now you want to check if it's balanced, right? Copper is 1 on both sides. Our hydrogen is 4 here, and this is 2 times 2, so that's 4. Our nitrogen is 4 here. This is 2 here, and this is 2 here. Okay, that sounds good. Then our oxygen is 12, 4 times 3. And you can also see 3 times 2 here, 6. And this is 2. No, this is 4. 2 times 2. And this is 2 times 1, 2. So that's also 12 in total, right? So it means that everything is balanced. All right, so like this video if you're seeing this on YouTube, and have fun. I'll see you on 41.